Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita.
Let's make mackerel gravy today. Before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on all my updates.
Note down or screenshot this recipe and let's get started. Add coriander seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, a small ball of tamarind, turmeric powder, dried red chilies. You can also add red chili powder instead. Add carom seeds, chopped garlic, chopped onion and grated coconut. Add some water and grind it into smooth paste. Transfer your ground paste into your cooking vessel. Let the flame be low. Basically, fish curry is made in earthenwares. Earthenwares add really delicious flavor to the fish curry.
Add sufficient water to this gravy and mix well.
The thickness of this gravy depends upon the amount of water we add. Add salt and mix it all together. Further cook it for 5 minutes on a low flame.
Add cut and cleaned mackerel to this gravy and cook it further for 2 minutes more. This gravy tastes awesome with dosas, idlis or boiled rice. You can also have it with white rice. I hope you found this recipe useful. If you did, please share it with your friends. Also follow me on all my social medias. Links are provided in the description box below.
Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.